Hi, Morgan here for Onefinity, and sometimes I get a little bored in the shop. And that's why we're proud to announce the Elite Plus Party Pack Upgrade Kit. Yeah, I mean, using Onefinity was already fun, but now it's a party. The kit includes a disco ball, obviously. You know what the heck? A secondary disco ball for those really long carves. And also included is the new patent-pending Party Probe Pro. Yeah, and it's not what you think. It's just like our regular 3-axis touch probe, but it makes a sound when it touches off. It sounds like it's time to party. And no one actually likes the sound of a machine cutting, right? I mean, it's loud and frankly, kind of hard to dance to. So we included this small but powerful speaker system.
These little babies are loud enough to drown out the sound. My neighbors love it.
Just attach it to the spindle mount, plug it into the controller, load up your favorite playlist, enable party mode, and the music plays for the duration of your carve. And what party would be complete without a fog machine? This bad boy's on a relay and triggered by G-code. So when the machine starts cutting, the fogger starts fogging. It's fogging awesome. Get your Elite Plus Party Pack Upgrade Kit whenever you feel like it at onefinitycnc.com/letsparty.